Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad you're here with me. Today I'm going to be making some Mediterranean vegetables. I'm really going to be focusing on some things that are around in the spring, like beautiful asparagus, and also things I've gotten out in the garden. Look at how beautiful these are. They're fiddlehead ferns. And then I've also grown my own kale and some wonderful dandelion greens, and of course some fresh herbs like oregano and rosemary. Whenever I cook, I like to bring in some robust flavors, and this time we're going to be seasoning these beautiful greens and vegetables with za'atar, a lemon, always olive oil, and lots of garlic. So come along with me, let's cook together. There's lots of different ways to prepare asparagus, and you can certainly use a knife. One of the things that I like to do is to grab it by the end, pinch, and wherever it breaks off, that's the part you discard in compost. The rest of it, beautiful and ready to eat. The asparagus hits some hot water for just a couple minutes in this pan. That way it gets its beautiful green color. Then I'm going to blanch it, which means putting it in some ice water so it doesn't keep cooking. I want it still to have some snap for this salad. Just a minute or two in the ice bath, and this asparagus is ready to dry out. Drying it out is really important because all those delicious spices, herbs, olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice that we're going to put on the salad could get diluted with all the water that's still attached to these beautiful vegetables. Here's what I'm using to flavor our dish. I'm going to start with some good olive oil and some garlic sliced up here. Then I'm going to saute some of our shallots. I'm going to use some fresh herbs like rosemary and oregano, and of course some lemon juice. And there's the za'atar. When the dish is all put together, I'm going to top it with some flaky salt that has caramelized shallots in it, just to give it some extra flavor on top. Look at how beautifully the shallots are starting to color up. So are the fiddlehead ferns. The kale's just a minute or two away from being all the way nice and sauteed, but still retaining lots of beautiful color and vitamins. Turn the heat off and add your asparagus. The pan's a great place for us to toss all of the asparagus with the fiddlehead ferns and the shallots and the kale and the garlic. And I'm going to add the acid to it now so that it gets some good lemon juice added to it. And I'm going to add a lot more of the fresh herbs like rosemary and oregano. And while I put a little bit of za'atar in while this was cooking, I'm going to put some more in now. Za'atar is a wonderful blend that I like to add to vegetables throughout the season. Give that all a good toss, and that's ready to go onto my servingware. And we're just about done. We've sauteed and tossed our beautiful vegetables. Now we're going to put them on a serving tray. So just bring them straight out of your saute pan. Oh, look how beautiful that fiddlehead fern is right on top there. Add a little bit more za'atar just on the top. And then I like to finish with my finishing salt. Remember, mine is flaky salt, a little bit of sesame seeds, and some caramelized shallots. I'm going to put that on top here. And look at that. Spring vegetables, Mediterranean style, ready for you to enjoy.